Hi everyone, it is time to review the answer to our metabolic health hacks quiz question that we posted last week. We asked, which of the following is a common misconception about exercise and weight loss? The answer choices given are A. Cardio is the only way to burn fat. B. Consistency in exercise is key. C. Building muscle helps you burn more calories at rest. D. Combining cardio and strength exercise is effective for weight loss. And the correct answer is A. Cardio is the only way to burn fat. While cardio is great for burning calories, it is not the only way to lose fat. Strength training builds muscle, which increases your resting metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you are not exercising. A combination of cardio and strength training is ideal for effective weight loss. Stay tuned for more health insight and quizzes. See you next round and bye. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Join the movement to eliminate obesity and reverse metabolic syndrome. Together, we can make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips and support.